So I'm going to make a little demo of a website I created. That's a personal project. The website is called Noyau. So Noyau in French, it's like core. French to English. It's not spelled the same way, but Noyau means core. So Noyau, this way. So that's an Orchard Core hosting platform. And thanks to it, it allows you to create your own Orchard Core instance online. And you can use a Bootstrap template I created. So I'm going to show you the hosting plans. You have two plans. The first one is $5 per month. So you have 14 trial days. You have a limited storage and content items. And I will redistribute 20% of the earnings to contributors. So for the $5 plans, I will sponsor $1, and for the $10 plan, I will sponsor $2 to these Orchard Core contributors. Those
and
are
user ones, who cares? Are useless.
Yeah, in fact, there are no other Orchard Core contributors with GitHub sponsorship, except Isham has a PayPal account, and the other one has a GitHub sponsor activated.
So if you want to be in this list, enable GitHub and contribute.
Yes. So right now, if you want to request an account, you can send me an email to request a new account. So when you are logged, so this user, there will be a step to create your website. So we have to specify your site name. If you want to be redirected to your domain name, you can specify it, and I will configure it to make the redirection to the domain name. I will recall the plan that has been selected and the template, and you will have the setup step to create it. So this one is a running instance. So if I open it, this is, you can see a subdomain ag.noyau.com. But if I configure the domain name binding, it will be redirected to your own domain name, to your own site URL. So this is the home page. So you create it with the admin user, and you are able to manage it as you want. So you have, for example, those content items, the home page, the blog page, or the components page. So this one is pretty simple, the home page. A simple one is also the about page. The blog, it's a list part with blog post. You can see you can specify an image. And I used, as I demonstrated last week, the custom user settings to be able to specify, to use the custom user settings. So for example, if I go to the users, edit the admin, there is a profile tab. I can change the author, the description, add a picture for this owner. So as you can see here, so that was the blog post, and for example, I give a components page, so you can find some components that you will be able to reuse, like you see these blocks with icons, title and description, a call to action, with text and buttons, some cards, some animated cards, you can see it, some counters, some FAQ, some other card icons. If you want a picture gallery, media gallery, you can use this kind of masonry layout. So I provide, I include tiny slider, so you can specify a slider. So those are just HTML blocks you can use in other pages. I am also including a few modules that I created. There is the Prism module, so you will be able to use syntax highlighting. I'm providing the cookie consent module for GDPR, an SEO module, so that's a simple one. I can show you SEO. Where am I? SEO admin. So if on a content type like the page, you added the SEO part, you will be able to edit the content item homepage. There will be a simple SEO tab, and if I go back to the page, there will be, you see, the meta description and the meta keywords that I specified. Pretty simple. And I also include a discuss module, so you can add comments to your blog. And that's it.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So anyone can create a blog. Oh, but we have to pay. Ah.
And of course, you are also able to add a widget in multiple zones, like the head, the navbar, the header, the sidebar. I can show you the, like I did in a previous meeting. You can enable these archives and put it in the blog layer. And you can also edit, of course, the footer. So you see the footer is a liquid widget, and you can edit it as you want. So if I refresh the blog, you can see there is an archives widget going to an archives page.
Thank you.